How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can center objects in FreeCAD. So in my case, I'm going to be creating a sketch on my XY plane. In here, let's do something like this simple square. And then let's also do something like this radius or this circle. So let's make something like a 30mm circle. Or if you want to get precise with it, you could use something like the constraint radius. And then let's do something like 10 mm. Now from here, you want to use this specific option, which is the constraint symmetric. Create a symmetric constraint between 2 points with respect to the third line or a third point. So you just want to click on this function, and then if you want to center it on this specific line, you could do something like select these 2 points right here, and then now you could select the item or object or sketch that you want to center with. So let's select this one, and then it will be implemented right here. So if you want to place it in the center, you could just highlight both ends of the corner. And then of course, let's select our circle, which will then simply center our object right here. So you could do a lot of things regarding this tool. And basically, you can just keep using it the way you want to, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.